Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Padhenge to Badhenge. So guys, today we'll go through the problematic questions on linear equation. But before we go, I want to showcase some of the things which I received in an email for Padhenge to Badhenge. Here, a team has reached out if I want to bring a great foundation and if I want to boost this one. Okay, so this is an update to anybody. Okay, I don't want to any support and all. Okay, it's YouTube and I don't want any boost and all. What is the things I want is a rigorous putting of question and answers of on the math channel on Padhenge and Badhenge. I don't want anything that coming to this is not accepted. Okay, and we cannot progress on this method in YouTube. I just wanted to showcase that I received some mail which is not relevant. Okay, I don't work in that fashion. Okay, I solve the question, and the subscribers who like my videos do subscribe me, and if you have any queries, do post me your queries. Okay, we'll go back to the question. A number is multiplied by 4 and then 12 is added. The result is 40. Find the number. I suppose I've solved it. Even it is done, let's continue. Let the number be x. 4x plus 12. Number is added. 4 plus 12 equal to 40. 12, if we transpose it, 40 minus 12. 4x is equal to 40 minus 12. 4x is equal to 28. X is equal to 7 is the answer. Our next question is, a father is 4 times as old as his son. The son is 12 years old. Find the father age. Similar to this question, we proceed with the solving of this question. Okay, solving in front of you. Let father age is x. A father is 4 times as old as his son. Okay, 4 times 4x. Okay, is equal to 4x. Okay, the son is 12 years old. Okay, son is 12 years old. So therefore x is equal to 12 into 4. X equal to 48. Therefore father age is 48 years. Okay, repeat. Let father age is x. Okay, x is equal to 12 into 4 because son is 12 times the father age. Okay, 12 into 4. 12 4 is 48 is the answer. Our next question is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 50 centimeter, length is 15 centimeter and breadth is x centimeter. Find x. So we will go by the formula. So perimeter is what? All the 4 sides. Okay, this is perimeter, this is length, this is breadth. Okay, so perimeter is equal to 2l plus b. Perimeter is 50, 2, length is 15, breadth we have taken x. 50, 2 15 is 30, 2x 50. So x goes this side, it becomes minus. So therefore I have written 2x is equal to 50 minus 30. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore breadth or x is 10 centimeter is the answer. This is all for the day, and I'll come with some more question answers in my next class. Thank you guys.